Somebody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Chuck just got here and we're working on the stroker right now, and we're gonna do some tuning on this thing today. So we got some new scooter swap shop parts over here for variator shims and gauges. And we were up in that street last time, but it didn't really have any brakes, so we didn't do too much tuning on it, and we just got it rolling. So today I got a bunch of brake cleaner too, because this Dio front brake that I have that I'm gonna throw on was just super nasty on the inside and just full of junk. So I'm gonna clean it all out and then hopefully put the front brake on today too. A 4K clutch in right now with the clutch springs, and we're gonna change it to a 2K on the 2K center spring.
Is like super top end gearing. This is not, this gearing in here is not meant for low end.
Yeah, it's like top speed.
Yeah.
It's like a long gear.
Right.
Long gear, yeah.
It's got 5.5 gears.
There we go. Oh, yeah, we're gonna change the rollers too. We were weighing, what, last time? 31?
I think we had 33 grams.
33?
Yeah.
Scale.
Yeah. We'll put it to like 34.5 or like 35, 36, somewhere around there.
Gonna crack open this reservoir and let it soak in some brake cleaner, because this thing looked like it came out of the bottom of the ocean in Japan. I'm taking the headset back off on this thing so I can throw the front brake on right now. This headset's came off and on like 20 times in the last month, I swear. Been bleeding the brake for a while. Everything on it's pretty much brand new, so it's hard to get the air out of the system. But Chuck's been over here messing with the carb a little bit, and now we got the new clutch bell on, and we tightened the actual nut that's on the clutch on the center spring. So we tightened that down a little bit more. Now we gotta throw the kicker case on, and yeah, hopefully we get this brake plate so we can actually try tuning her up today. Got the brakes now, baby. Gotta put together the front again, put the kicker on, and then we'll start her up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and crack open some new parts that we just got in the other day, actually. Whoa, bro.
They sent one of these for my bike?
No, I don't know who.
That's my water cool for my Tida. It's laying around from when they had Tidas. They don't sell those anymore though.
No way.
Yeah. That's pretty crazy.
Well, maybe either that or
we're
unboxing this and we're confused because we didn't order half of the stuff. So I think Scooter Swap Shop hooked us up with some goodies. So we have the water-cooled head gaskets, which Chuck was saying they're pretty hard to find. Blingy jets. Merry Christmas piece.
Here with some head studs.
Some head studs. Here we go. This is what we did order. The gauge. That one is for the tack.
Look at this piece.
And the temp. Oh, spark plug.
Yeah, gapper.
Yeah, spark plug gapper. So it's 140 through 158. And then we got 120 through 138 for the 72. Sheesh.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna have to shave his case down a little bit to fit it, but now I got the same bowling on the stroker too. A little Melosi piece too. We're gonna throw these gauges on probably ASAP. Oh, I actually want to mount them on the Dio head though too, so I'm gonna have to do the Dio head ASAP actually. But right now, got the rear brake good, front brakes super solid, throttle's there. I don't know if I like this throttle housing, this quick throttle thing, so not really. Doesn't feel right.
Do you have the S one?
No, I put it on there.
You put it on there. It might have not. I might have not this thing.
That's the kickstand rattling on the exhaust down there. I always forget that. Front brake's good. Yeah, front brake feels real good. Back.
So we're dropping the clutch. We are going with the 2000. Where is the 2001? You got it already? Oh, right here. Sweet. So 2000 springs instead of the 4000 we had in there. This is the Chuck signature trans installment.
So far
This
back.
trans requires Arnold Schwarzenegger to come over to help install.
And it's so tight.
That
So-
belt was holy moly.
Yeah, dude, it's so... That rear trans just does the job, bro.
Just does the job. We're gonna change the main jet on the car.
48 and 146.
So much better than last time, but for sure it still needs like... About to throw the sensors on right now. Chuck just pulled the plug out. What are you thinking?
Hopefully we'll see if your temp gauge bugs out with this BRs, because mine started to bug out with the Rs.
Alright, so we just hooked up the gauges. Got them just taped up there for now because we're just trying to get an idea. Put a new plug in it.
See if it still sputters, see how hot it gets. See what the revs are like, see how high the RPMs get.
Let's see it all.
It helps with tuning a lot.
It's warming up right now, yeah. So I'm not gonna bring my camera because it's dark and my GoPro doesn't light up, but we're gonna go just around the neighborhood and just kind of get a rolling cruise on it. So, a little tuning on the roll. Just went on a little cruise through like the neighborhood behind, just to get a feel for the bike actually riding, and it felt 100 times better than when we were just going up and down the street. It was holding power through, just falling off on the very, very top when you're holding it wide open throttle. So we're going down to a 142 main.
Yeah, 142 main right now. Tried it. When I got it, the needle is in the middle, right? It comes in the middle, the clip, I mean. And when I tried it, it was gargling on the bottom. It was like, rah.
And then top end yours was fine.
And it was fine. Yeah, once
So
it was
it's
going, it's
opposite
fine.
right
So
now.
now it's like doing on the top end, but not doing on the bottom. So I'm wondering if maybe it's the needle.
It's running good, just not on the top end. It's kind of just sputtering on the top end. So pulling out that needle, check what the needle's at.
Let's see where it is. This guy's all the way at the top. Okay,
Not even in the center.
I mean,
That makes a lot of sense.
that's why
bro. That makes so
we're
much
going
sense.
now. You're not getting enough gas at that wide open throttle.
Yeah, because
I'm
it's
assuming.
still sitting too far down. Yeah, that makes
Yeah.
so much sense, bro. All right, boys, we're back. It's another day. I literally just want to get a couple clips riding the stroker because we went out last night to mess with it, and it was pitch black, and you couldn't see nothing. I didn't have my GoPro, so. As you can tell, we still got a lot of tuning to do on it, and we're nowhere near done. But we're not gonna go back out and do that for a few days because it's a work week. So you know what, boys? We're gonna pull out the stroker right now and take it for a little spin. Oh man. I got the ghettoest wires set up right now for my gauges. So Chuck's messed with this cart before. He had it on his stroker, and I think he was running a 152 main when he said he did it. We were just messing around tuning with it a little bit. I think right now we're running a 142, and then we messed with the needle too because the needle was actually in all the way to the very, very top clip, and it was just bogging in the very top end. So we might move that needle back down a notch, and I think throw a bigger jet at her. It's another moped going down the street right now. We gotta catch him. He was not having it. I was hoping he'd look back. Boys, front wheel, I can't even talk right now because riding this thing is a lot of adrenaline. I'm still very iffy, like everything's bolted up right. So like I'm not even lying, when I'm riding this thing I'm like full focus mode. But man, right there the front wheel popped up and then I hit the sewer lid thing once I was already going like 30 and the front wheel came right up again and it started to wheelie again. So nuts.